knew I wanted to go into medicine, but I was also really passionate about preventing disease, particularly chronic disease like heart disease and diabetes, which afflicts my family and millions of other families in the United States. I hope in my PhD and in my future career, I can work on programs and interventions that gets people healthy food regularly on a daily basis, and they don't have to struggle with that. So hopefully that's what my future will look like. The UMass Chan Community Garden is a student-run organization. It began 4 years ago, and this is our 4th summer. We pick produce every week, and that goes to the Max Baker Resource Center, which is also a student-led initiative. It's a free food resource that's open to all 3 schools, and it's open 24/7. Students just badge in and get free food and also hygiene supplies and whatever else they might need. And we're also hoping to start a medicinal herb garden so that students can learn more about the medicinal herb lifestyle and the science that goes along with it. The reason I came to Worcester in the MD PhD program was because I knew I wanted to study population health as a PhD student. I hope in the future, I'm not just going to be gardening for myself, but I can also learn from other people about growing new vegetables, having a healthy diet, eating fresh food, and just meeting lovely people along the way.